Hello students, welcome to Social Online class. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is Unit 9 in History, the Age of Revolution. So in this unit we are going to see about the revolutions which has happened before. So the first topic is American War of Independence. So the American War which is for independence. So in the 18th century, three revolutions got prominent in that time. So the three revolutions are American Revolution, French Revolution and then the Industrial Revolution. So among these three revolutions, that is American, French and Industrial, American Revolution is the first political revolution which has made many changes in that particular time. Okay, so which is the first political revolution? American Revolution is the first political revolution and it has made many changes. So in the year of 1776, there is a person, his name is Thomas Jefferson. So he wrote the Declaration of Independence. So who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson in the year of 1776. So after that, in a meeting, like the name of the meeting is Continental Congress. So in that meeting, 13 colony countries were participated. So in that public meeting, he has declared that all men are created equal, which is a base for the Declaration of Independence. So this statement has become a revolutionary statement and this statement has become the reason for many revolutions in that particular time. So this statement is created by Thomas Jefferson, who has declared the independence. Its heading is Sugar Act, which was implemented in the year of 1764. So according to this Sugar Act, so they have imposed to the duties on a particular products like molasses, wines, silks and coffee. So they have imposed the tax duties on these products. So but this thing was opposed by the merchants and the publics. After that, after the Sugar Act, they have framed a slogan, that is no taxation without representation. So for this Sugar Act, they have framed this slogan. And then the Currency Act was also passed. So the Currency Act means the colony country, so if they want to repay the debt, okay, which they lent from England, if the colony country, they want to repay the debt which they get from England, but they want to repay it with gold or silver. They should not give the money. Instead of that, they want to repay the debt with the gold or silver. So this is the act which was called as Currency Act. Okay students, so now we'll recall all the things which we have learnt. So American War of Independence. In the 18th century, three revolutions got prominence and they are American Revolution, French Revolution and then the Industrial Revolution. So among these three revolutions, American Revolution is considered as the first political revolution which has made many changes. And in the year of 1776, Thomas Jefferson, so he has framed the Declaration of Independence, and then in the Continental Congress, which has participated the 13 colony countries, so he has drafted a slogan, that is all men are created equal. So this is the base thing for the Declaration of Independence, and this slogan is considered as a revolutionary statement. And then the implementation of Sugar Act. So in the year of 1764, they have imposed the duties on a particular products. They are molasses, wines, silks and coffee. So this thing was opposed by the merchants. So after that, they have framed a slogan which is no taxation without representation. So after that, they have passed the Currency Act. So the colony country which lent money from England, so if they want to repay it, they want to give it in the form of gold or silver. They should not repay it with the money. So this is the Currency Act.